My favorite YouTube channel just uploaded a video after an entire month. So today is a very good morning. I'm going to watch this video while eating my breakfast and then get on with my daily activities. Man, I have binged watched every single video on this channel and it's so upsetting that I have to wait a month for the next upload. But I also understand why he takes so long to upload. The videos are scripted so well, the animations are insanely good, and it's not just a normal storytelling video, right? It's proper airline investigation, which of course takes time and effort. But if you guys haven't seen this channel already, bro, you must check it out. It's called Wings. 300k subscribers. It's an insanely good channel. If you are into airline investigation or just aviation in general. Okay, mother, काम बताओ.
बाहर का काम है,
बोलो.
सब सामान लाना है, फ्रूट्स लाने हैं बेटा,
फ्रूट्स लाना है नेक्स्ट.
मेडिसिन लानी है।
मेडिसिन नेक्स्ट.
हाँ, आज बस इतना ही, मेडिसिन लानी है, फ्रूट्स लाने हैं, इतना काम है।
ओके, लेट्स गो कंप्लीट दिस. आज थोड़ा स्टूडियो भी साफ करना है मेरे को. लॉट ऑफ वर्क टुडे. गुड थिंग इज आई डोंट हैव टू हिट द जिम, सो आई कैन पुट इन सम टाइम क्लीनिंग अप. ये क्रिएटिन यहाँ पे काउंटर पे रखा है और मुझे बोल रहा है कि मोहित शर्म कर, एक हफ्ते से तूने लिया नहीं है. या मैन, आई फॉरगॉट टू टेक क्रिएटिन टू दिल्ली. Oh, and by the way, अगर आप वर्कआउट नहीं भी कर रहे हो, you can still take creatine because the benefits are not just limited to physical benefits, right? There are many cognitive benefits as well. Also, I've seen a lot of kids tripping balls if they forget to take creatine for a day or two. Guys, कुछ नहीं होगा. If you forgot creatine for a day or two, nothing is going to happen, okay? Because creatine works on a principle of muscle saturation. So as long as you take it consistently for a long period of time, you will see the benefits. If you miss for a day or two in between, completely fine, कुछ नहीं होगा. Your muscles will not deflate. मम्मी ने भेज तो दिया फ्रूट्स लेने के लिए, बट कहाँ से लेना ये नहीं बताया. Hectic, fight guys, fight. Hey, मार्केट आया करो guys, बहुत entertainment है यहाँ पे. Okay, genuine question, which shop do I buy from? Or should I just buy from a vegetable cart? These were questions I was supposed to ask my mother before leaving home. Okay, I'm buying from this shop. I need pomegranate. Does this look good to y'all? 700 grams pomegranate is 225 rupees. Oh, what? That girl is checking me out. The fuck? Why is she checking me out like that? Okay, अब एप्पल लेने के लिए मैं सुपरमार्केट ही आ गया हूँ. I couldn't sort anything in the sabzi mandi. 4 pieces apple, that should be sufficient. You can leave Delhi, but Delhi can never leave you. अब इतनी धूप में घूम रहा हूँ तो कुछ ठंडा भी पी लेता हूँ. Or should I just eat a yogurt? Greek yogurt. I don't mind a Greek yogurt. I'm thinking I'll try this new flavor, honey and fig. Fruit shopping done, bobbies. Now let's go get medicines. Guys, look at that icon. Can you recreate that smile? Yo, that's a good looking Volkswagen, bro. आज मेरे एरिया में कुछ स्पेशल हो रहा है. Let's see what it is. Vandane Varshada Annamma Devi Utsava. Okay, that means for the first time ever, there's a celebration for Annamma Devi in our area. आज बहुत कड़कती धूप है यार. इनफैक्ट दिस हीट मेड मी रियलाइज दैट इट्स नाउ टाइम फॉर अ हेयर कट. समर इज ऑलमोस्ट अपॉन अस एंड आई रियली कैन नॉट हैव लॉन्ग हेयर इन समर्स. चेक कर लो ढंग का खरीदा कि नहीं. और इतनी धूप है आज.
अभी तो क्या ठंडी है.
ठंड अंदर है, बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है.
हाँ, बाहर गर्मी है.
ये देखो एक बार. दीज आर एप्पल्स. ये तो मैं रत्नदीप सुपरमार्केट से लाया क्योंकि मैं मार्केट में सेलेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा था.
रतनदीप से.
हाँ, और ये है पोमेग्रेनेट. आई थिंक ये अच्छा है. देखो.
हाँ, ये कहाँ से लाया?
ये मार्केट से. ओके, आई एम ईटिंग दिस ग्रीक योगर्ट. मेरे को बहुत गर्मी लग रही है. नीड समथिंग कोल्ड. ट्राइंग दिस न्यू मिल्की मिस्ट ग्रीक योगर्ट, हनी एंड फिग फ्लेवर. हैव यू गाइस ट्राइड इट? लेट्स सी इफ आई पिक्ड द राइट फ्लेवर. Oh fuck, it just jizzed all over my face. God damn. But then again, I'm used to this. Yo. That's actually quite nice. Or maybe my body is just too hot right now and anything cold I would enjoy. Going now for a haircut, bobbies. क्या टाइम लगेगा क्या? भैया यहाँ तक सिर्फ एक उंगली, एक नंबर, फिर 1.5 फेड. बिल्कुल बाउंसर लगना चाहिए. Done with the haircut, bobbies. लग रहा हो ना बाउंसर, एक नंबर का. Shower done, bobbies. How we looking? Not bad, right? Not bad. Chalo, let's do our skincare. Just applying a moisturizer. Honestly, ever since I started applying a moisturizer, my acne breakout has reduced. I don't get acne as often, and even if I do, it's maybe like one small acne at the side. Nishok gave me an explanation as to why it happens. He mentioned that if you have dry skin and if you moisturize something, you won't get pimples. I just heard you won't get pimples and I started using a moisturizer. And apparently, applying moisturizer like this is not normal. Girls don't apply like that. Apparently, girls apply one dot, one dot, one dot, one dot, one dot, and they do like this. I thought you're just supposed to do this. Like, isn't that the fastest way to moisturize? दाढ़ी मुझ में उड़ा दी मैंने.
बनवा दिया
पता नहीं लग रहा क्या?
बनवाया
और क्या?
तू तेरे तो है ही नहीं
तेरे तो है ही नहीं.
हाँ तू तो बिना दाढ़ी मूंछ का बच्चा है
Alright, let's do lunch now. I have a lot of food, starting with the veg dishes. I have bhindi ki sabzi, gajar matar ki sabzi, and some dal. For the non-veg, I have chicken with rice. Now, you guys must be wondering that I eat out all the time, right? But believe it or not, 80% of my calories still come from nutritious whole food like this. And trust me, this meal tastes pretty good. Another thing about me is that I show things as it is. If I'm eating out, I'll show you guys that I'm eating out. I won't lie saying that my diet is 100% perfect. Absolutely not. I've seen a lot of fitness coaches and fitness influencers pretend to be God sent. They pretend to have the best diet on earth. But trust me, even your favorite fitness influencer or your favorite fitness coaches have the most flexible diet. It's just that as fitness coaches, we understand how to manipulate calories very well. We know how to time our nutrients. We know what foods need to be eaten at what time of the day to ensure we don't gain too much fat. Done with lunch and back to work now. We have here some content writers that my editor and I have shortlisted. You guys remember I was hiring a content writer for my main channel, for the Fat Loss Health channel. So a lot of people have shared some scripts as to how they believe they would write for me. We have to go through this and see who's the best match for my channel. There are some promising candidates here, so yeah, let's see. It's a decision that my editor and I will collectively make. Ever since I started my main YouTube channel, from 0 subscribers to 500k subscribers, I did all the scripting myself. And to be honest with you guys, it takes up a large chunk of my time. It takes at least a day and a half to 2 days to script. Because scripting for a YouTube video is not as simple as just writing down points. You need to put proper transitions, proper hooks, a build up, emotional context. A lot of things go into making a good YouTube script. Because if it's just pointers, then you will not get the retention. People will simply not watch. Earlier, people would still watch, but now with content being so competitive, you need to have tight scripts, right? So it was taking a large chunk of my time. And although I did enjoy scripting, but I just simply cannot dedicate that time to it. I'd rather dedicate that time to my coaching. I'd rather give my clients that time. I'd rather spend that time in educating myself. Ever so often, I keep reading, I do courses to upskill myself because I want to make sure I give the best service to my clients, right? All right, I'm going to the field now to play cricket. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy, just 30 minutes. Bro, this 30 minutes of cricket is enough to keep me sane. Just these 30 minutes on the field makes me feel so alive. Okay, let's go. Next spin, guys. That batsman on strike got me out on the first ball. So I'm going to get him out as well. Aada Nitish! Done with cricket, bro. 30 minutes. Literally, that's all it takes to lighten up my mood. Now we eat some fruits. Usually around 6 to 7 p.m. is when I eat my second serving of fruits. Time to get back to work, bro. I have some queries, some client queries to get back to. So let's wrap this up and then do dinner. I also received a call from Shefali while I was playing cricket. So let's call her back. Let's see what Hello?
Hi,
What's up?
what are you doing?
I was attending to some client queries. What's up?
It felt like you were talking to someone else.
I was also vlogging. You can say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Where are you? Going home, huh?
Yeah.
Home or gym?
Oh, bro, I've gone to gym 2 days.
Wow, you've gone to gym 2 days. Such a big achievement.
Yeah.
You've gone to gym.
And lower body.
You've gone to gym 2 days in the whole of 2026.
No, 4 days.
That is so much better. 4 workouts in 27 days. How does that make you feel?
Bro, you see, bro, how much progress I make in 1 month. You won't be able to recognize me.
Fine, we'll see.